How to uninstall the Bumble app from your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the settings. After you're in the settings, find the app section. You can search for it. Here you'll see the app settings, tap on it. In this settings, you'll see all the list of apps installed in your phone. So scroll down and find the Bumble app. Tap on it. It'll open up the app information page. Now, in order to uninstall this Bumble app from your phone, you need to choose this uninstall button in the bottom right. Tap on it. Before choosing OK, you might want to delete all of your data and your account information. After you do that, you can securely uninstall this app. So tap on this OK button and proceed to uninstall this app. So that's a very easy process to uninstall Bumble app from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.